Alright, second match of the night in this D2D Fan Club 5 Division 2. We have Lightning Cubs up against the Crew. Lightning Cubs will be kicking off this match from right to left. The Crew wearing the grey bibs. Okay, bro. Cubs. The Cubs are currently in second with 25 points, level on points with Milan Club Singapore. Win this one by any number of goals and they will finish the season in second. Rajdev there for ball to nowhere. Cubs lost their last match 5-1 to Milan Club Singapore, while the Crew lost 3-12 to Gunners Red last time out. Whatever happens today, Crew will finish the season in 4th place regardless of the results. High and kick in to the Crew. Hey, we have top scorer here, Azmi. It's a ulti shot from foul. It's a block, and it's a goal kick to the Crew. Craig, nice block there, and Gibson. Baru start 0-0. Corner kick to the Crew. Gibson for a shot. Gibson get a second chance. Go through. Surma was fouled there. It's a free kick to Lightning Cubs. Ball to Rajdev. Back to sender. Ball shot blocked there by Gibson. Kick in. Blocked by his own teammate. Goal kick to the Crew. Stern show. Wow, that could have been the opening goal of the match. Rajdev. Kick in. It's blocked there by Raj. Another kick in for the Crew. Referee deems it a no goal, even though he touched the Cubs goalkeeper, Paul. Foul there on Paul. Surma. What a save by Rio! Surma was unmarked. Eddie couldn't do anything there. 1-0 to Lightning Cubs. Crew restarts the match. Gibson. Nobody at the end. Surma. Nice turn there, but intercepted. Shot! Oh, equalizer! 1-1. Brilliant goal. Paul on the ball. Back to Raj. Oh, almost a pass to Surma, but ball was moving too fast and a goal kick to the crew. Shot, nice save there. Goal, that's a goal! Calamity at the back for Lightning Cubs. And the crew takes the lead, 2-1. Shot high and wide there from Paul. Eddie. Shot, almost a goal there. Time and time again, Lightning Cubs have lost their men in defense. Substitution for the Cubs. Siwak coming in for Harmit. Nobody at the end of it. Nice block there, Siwak. Shot, oh, nice outside foot shot there, but ball goes high and wide. Siwak, nice block there by Gibson. Nice pass there. Nice turn. Beautiful shot. What a save. Another save. Easy save there. Siwak. Nice save there by Eddie with his feet. Corner kick to Cubs. Corner kick once again to Cubs. Surma unmarked at the far side. Cut in. Siwak. Nice block there. Shot. Ball. Tempest flare here. Tempest flying there. So foul there on Paul. Multiple fouls actually. Surma intercepted. Sorry. Run, shot, almost a goal there, just wide. Score remains 2-1 to the crew. Raj on the ball. It's blocked there by Gibson. Shot from far. Oh, Paul, what is he doing? Could have scored a goal there. Totally unmarked in the box. Imran, nice dribbling. Imran. Shot, oh, from Siwak. That's high and wide. Gibson. All the way to the keeper. Imran. Surma. Pass there to Raj. Surma blocked there by Gibson. Oh, it's another goal! Equalizer for Lightning Cubs. Brilliant goal there by Surma. Gibson, high and wide. Brilliant match there. Brilliant match we have going here. 2-all. Currently the score. Imran. Nice. Shot. Oh, it's safe. Oh, nice block there by Siwak. It's a kick in to the crew. Oh, nice interception there by Raj, and a corner kick to the crew. We have the top scorer of the Division 2, Azmin, having his dinner. His Gunners have already won the title. He's here just to collect his top scorer award tonight. And of course, the first place trophy. Crew. Oh, ball go all the way to the other side to Eddie for a goal kick. Gibson. Imran. Oh, missed kick there. Paul, what a goal there from Paul. Curl into the far corner. 3-2. Lightning Cubs get the lead once again. Gibson. Shot. High and wide. Nobody at the end of it. Kick in to the crew in their own half. Right. Back to Eddie. It's blocked there. Siwak kick in to the crew. Gibson. Nice control. Shot wide. Substitution for the Cubs. Paul coming out. Siwak back to keeper. Raj. Surma almost loses the ball, but Siwak is behind him. So goal kick to the crew. Ball goes all the way. Big chest, it's control. Back to Gibson. Nobody at the end of it. Cubs. Shot. Out for a goal kick to the crew. So a kick in to the crew. Ball too high. It's the top net. Gibson with the kick in. Craig. Return. Oh, miscontrol. Kick in to the Cubs. Too high. Another kick in for the crew. To Gibson, to Eddie. Gibson on the far side. Runs down the line. Got Jerome here. Photographer extraordinaire. Siwak. Back pass. Raj. Shot. Safe. Not counted. Goal not counted there. Eddie have had his both hands on the ball before Surma kicked the ball out of it. Imran, nice turn. Oh, couldn't get it to Break. Another interception. Oh, too high. Kick in to Crew. Substitution by the Crew. Imran goes out. Leicester comes in. Eddie. Gibson. Shot. Easy save. Craig almost a volley. Oh, nice tackle there by Surma. Corner kick to the Crew. Nice block. Eddie. Nice header there by Zach Craig. Shot. Wide. Substitution for the Cubs. Surma out for Almast. Oh, Gibson. Hit a shot. Oh, too high. Very tight game here between the Crew and Lightning Cubs. Score is currently 3-2 with Cubs in the lead. Just one goal in it. Shot! Oh, beautiful goal at the near post. Beats Eddie. 4-2 to the Cubs. Crew. Leicester. Nice block there by Raj. Kick in to the Crew. Easy block there by Raj. Kick in. Another kick in to the Crew. Gibson with the kick in. Leicester. Block. Oh! Kick in to Cubs. Almas. Nice tackle there by poor pass there by Leicester. Oh, another kick in, free kick to the Crew, handball by Siwak. Gibson fails to control the ball. Kick into Cubs. Gibson. Nice block there by Gibson. Poor passing there, almost gets the ball. Shot wide. And that's the half. Lightning Crew leading in this match, 4-2. Can the Crew come back in the second half? We'll find out soon.
The second goal must be. You know what you should do? Honestly, a lot of times, right? When the guy is pressing you, right? Pass back to Jasdeep, make the run. Don't press Jasdeep. He always press Jasdeep after that. So you're free for him to throw the ball. You miss him enough because same. He not following you. And then I want because I'm following the right guy, so you need to drop a bit further from him. So you need to because I need to know. I need you to know when I'm going wrong. Actually, most of the time I see. So what? You run close. Second team starts first. Maybe. I pass? No, you came. Yes. Just came in. But if I don't pass, then just play. Just me to go quick. Yeah.
Getting ready for the second half of this Division 2 D2D Fan Club 5's match between Cubs, Lightning Cubs and the Crew, Lions City Sailors Supporters Club. Cubs are leading 4-2 right now as the Crew starts the second half. Surprise taken by Paul. Kick into. Oh, nice block there by Gibson. Surma couldn't control the ball. Kick into the Crew. Gibson. Armin. Pass Surma. Raj. Esther. Shot. Poor shot. Raj on the far side. Pass to Suma. Unmarked shot. Saved there by Eddie. I mean, take the kick in. Ball. Shot. Oh. Hits the woodwork and goes out. Corner kick to Crew. Oh, Paul tries the fancy, but ball goes out for a goal kick. Esther turns. Shot blocked there by Hamid. Suma. Pass to Hamid. Oh, weak left foot. Esther. Shot. Oh, almost an own goal there by Hamid. But he kicks the ball out for a corner. Another corner. Yawi. Oh. It's a late tackle there from Raj. Free kick to the Crew. Oh, off the post. Leicester. Blocked there by Paul. Kicking to the Crew. Can they claw back this 2-goal deficit? Leicester. Nice. Hamid. Surma. Nice skill there to Paul. Leicester gets intercepted the ball. Paul. Oh. It's a kick into the Crew. Too high. Surma kick in to Raj. Back to Surma. Nimble feet. Corner kick to the Cubs. Leicester intercepts. Too late there. Paul. Nice tackle there. Subra Hamid. Blocked there by Leicester. Kick into Cubs. Raj to Suma. Fast. Oh, nobody at the end of it. Good work there by Suma. Poor kick in. But the Crew still gets back the ball for the kick in. Oh, Raj. Goal kick to the Crew. Armin gets the loose ball. That's a goal kick to the Crew once again. Yawi. Out. For goal kick to the Lightning Cubs. Nobody hit any of it. It's end-to-end stuff here. Goal kick, Gibson back to Eddie. Eddie to Leicester. Oh. It's a kick into Paul. Shot. Oh. Too high. Kick in to the Crew. Raj hits away. Yawi. Leicester. Oh, almost through Paul. Sorry, Raj. Nice tackle there by Raj. Eddie. Hamid. Paul. Tackle there by Gibson. shot. Oh, one goal back by the Crew, and it's 4-3. Is a comeback loading. It's a comeback on the way. Ball goes out for Sewak. Suma. It's a late tackle there from Crew. Ball. Sorry, Raj. Amit. Ball goes out. Sewak couldn't get to the end of it. Goal kick to the Crew. Nobody at the end of it. It's a kick in to the Cubs. Amit, the kick in. Sewak, back to Raj. To Hamid. Nice block there. Sewak, the kick in. Kick into Cubs. Yawi goes out. Craig comes in. Imran comes in. Zach comes in as well for the Crew. Imran arguably the best player for the Crew tonight. Craig. Nice tackle there. It's a kick in for Crew. Zach. Nobody at the end of it. So a goal kick to Cubs. Gibson intercepts. Kick into the Cubs. Score currently 4-3. Rajdev high. Imran, oh nice tackle there. Kick into the Crew. It's block. Imran, oh. Crew kick in. Imran. Gibson. Nice tackle there from Surma. Imran, lose the ball. Gibson, nice cut in. Nice pass to Craig. To Imran. Nobody at the end wrong. Kick into Crew. Nobody at the end. Surma will let it run out. Yes. Ushering the ball out with Craig pressing. Raj. Block there from Imran. Get the ball. Can he keep the ball? No, he couldn't. Goal kick to the Cubs. Just one goal in it. 4-3 by the Cubs. Oh. Corner kick to Cubs. Go high. Craig. The kick in. Imran. Nice trickery. Imran to Craig. Oh, nice tackle there. Nice interception, and it's a kick into the Crew on his near side. Imran off the post. Kick into the Cubs. That would have been the equalizer. Zach. Pass to Gibson to Craig. Blocked there by Siwak. Craig kick in. Imran. Blocked there by Raj. Corner. Craig using his frame. Shot! Nice turn and shoot. Equalizer there by the crew. 4-all. If the Cubs draw this match, Milan Club Singapore will have the opportunity to go second if they win their match against the Hougang Wolves. Siwak. Nice save there by Eddie. Kick in to the Cubs. Ball. Amin wide. Eddie. Craig. Tackled there by Siwak. Craig. Kick in there by Craig. Amin. It's a ball shot from far. Header out there by Gibson. Siwak. Suma. Nice shot there by Suma, but it goes wide. Poor throw there by Eddie. Gives the ball away for kicking to the Cubs. Oh no, it's a foul there on Suma. Free kick to the Cubs. Paul will take this free kick. Amin, nice block there by Imran. Almost a goal from the ricochet. Paul couldn't get at the end of the throw. Score remains 4-all. Very tight match here. Craig, shot block there. I see what. Paul pushes it back to his keeper. Goal kick to the crew. Gibson. Zach, Imran, shot block there by Hamid. Paul couldn't keep it in. So kick in to the crew. Nobody at the end of that kick in from Craig. Goal kick to the Cubs. Hamid. Pass to Siwak. Suma. Nice cut in to Hamid. Back heel, but Craig gets the ball. Nice cut. Back. Shot. Goal by Craig. Crew takes the lead in this seesaw of a match. 5-4 to the crew. Shot. Substitution. 5 for the crew, 4 for the Cubs. Substitution for the crew as well as the Cubs. Yawi comes back in, Lester comes back in. So almost all the outfield players. Lester, chest, Yawi, Lester, shot, safe. Shot, nobody at the end of it, and it's a kick into the Cubs. Raj. Thomas almost get to the end of it. It's a goal kick to the crew. Eddie, throw. Yawi, couldn't get a hit to hit. Ball. Yawi, nice interception. Gibson. Surma. Nice save there by Eddie. Brilliant save. Shaw, and end-to-end stuff here. Kick in. Gibson. Back to Gibson. Yawi. Oh. Nice tackle there by Rajdev. It's a corner to the crew. Nice block there. Amas. It's a corner to the Cubs. So go kick to the crew instead. Nice header there by Amas. Kick into the crew. Nice block there. Leicester, short block there by Raj. Suma. Oh, it's a corner kick to the Cubs. Suma trying to get the Cubs back in the game. Nice block there by Gibson. Another corner for the Cubs. Substitution. Imran comes back in for Yawi. Oh, Paul couldn't get his shot on target. It's a goal kick to the crew. Leicester. Nice tackle there by Raj. Eddie. Waste a bit of time. Stern. Intercepted. Gibson. Kick in to the crew. Winding down the end of this match. Can the Cubs grab the equalizer? Paul misses the target once again. Goal kick to the crew. Substitution once again for the crew. Zach, too excited, forgot to wear his bib. Gibson finally sitting out after playing for almost the whole game. Amas heads out. Kick into the crew. Great shot. Save and corner to the crew. Leicester. Kick into Cubs. Suma. Pass to Raj. Back to Suma. Nice tackle there by Imran. Imran on the right. Oh. And that's the end of it. The crew have recorded a famous win over Lightning Cubs. Milan, who will be playing after this, will only need to avoid a loss to finish second in the league. Final score, Lightning Cubs 4, the crew 5.
Hey, hello. Hey, good to see you.
Sweet. Cameraman taking camera. It's a difficult win, but we pulled it off. We never managed to beat them before, so that's a win to remember. Thanks, Fwens TV. The best.